Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to share a simple but incredibly effective drink that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. We're diving into an amazing combination for weight loss: cucumber, lemon, and ginger. This isn't just some fad diet trend, guys. This is rooted in real science, and I'm going to break it all down for you. We're going to explore why each ingredient is so powerful, how they work together synergistically, and I'll even give you my personal recipe that tastes delicious and is super easy to make. So, let's talk about ginger first. We've all heard that ginger settles the stomach, right? But did you know it's also a powerful thermogenic? That means it actually helps your body burn more calories by temporarily increasing your metabolism. It's like giving your internal furnace a little nudge to burn a bit hotter. This can be especially helpful when you're trying to lose weight. Next up, we have cucumber and lemon, the ultimate detoxifying duo. Cucumber is about 95% water, which means it's incredibly hydrating. Staying properly hydrated is key for weight loss, as it helps flush out toxins and can even help reduce water retention. Lemon, on the other hand, is a natural diuretic, which means it helps your body get rid of excess water weight. Plus, both cucumber and lemon are packed with antioxidants that support overall health. One of the most frustrating aspects of weight loss is stubborn belly fat. Well, this cucumber, lemon, and ginger drink can actually help with that too. How? It helps reduce bloating. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, so it can soothe your digestive system and reduce any puffiness. Cucumber, as we talked about, is super hydrating and helps with that water retention, making you feel lighter and less bloated. This drink is not only great for boosting your metabolism and detoxifying your body, but it's also fantastic for keeping those pesky cravings at bay. The combination of flavors, the refreshing cucumber, the zesty lemon, and the subtle spice of ginger, creates this really satisfying drink that helps you feel full and hydrated. That means you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks throughout the day. It's a win-win. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful drink to help you on your weight loss journey. Remember, consistency is key. Try incorporating this drink into your daily routine and see the difference it can make. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. See you next time.